guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for joining me, and thank you to all of my old subscribers for always rocking with me, baby. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing video of Amazon's wig making kit. I've had it for quite some time. I just haven't had the time to get around to unboxing it, but it's about that time because I need it. Before we get started with this unboxing video, you guys already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be what? Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I will greatly appreciate it. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, if you're wondering the wig that I'm wearing, I will put it in the description below, which is Max by Zori Sis. She's in the color natural. I will also leave a link below to the review I did on this unit as well. Here we have it, guys, the first box. Literally, I'm opening up this box for the first time for this unboxing video. Okay, so inside the box, I just see that on the floor like it's nothing. So inside the box, it comes with this, you know, it's a pretty thick plastic bag, has a little drawstring on it. So first thing I noticed is that it didn't come with any kind of packing slip, no type of invoice. So it doesn't tell me exactly. So look, it says it on the box. I got it from Amazon, but this is actually the samsbeauty.com wig making kit. So you all know Sam's Beauty. You know, you might order some wigs from there, or hair accessories, whatever the case may be. But they also have a wig making kit. Let's go ahead and get into the Sam's Beauty wig making kit. So the first thing I have here is the mannequin head. On the back, it tells you that I have the 22 inches. It has a hole at the bottom for the tripod, which I do have a tripod that I will show y'all. It looks like it's very well made. And then I have this bag of goodies. So let's see what I got. So the first thing I see is that I have this, you know, this rat tooth comb is, you know, kind of like a wide tooth comb. So who can't use a wide tooth comb? Okay, it looks like they gave me some rubber bands. They come in multiple colors. Like it's like royal blue, pink, white, yellow, black. So it's like a pack of rubber bands. I don't know what I would use rubber bands for, but hey, thank you. I have a pair of shears here. This is 5.5 inches. Finger rest stainless steel. It says try me, but this is a pack of scissors. Oh look, they gave me a crochet skill needle. So if anyone is into crocheting, they give you a needle in here. Okay, also in here, it looks like they gave me a pack of black medium wig clips. So, you know, some people, they do like to sew extra wig clips in their, you know, a snap comb wig grip, what the hell? A snap comb wig clip. Some people like to, you know, sew extra clips into their wigs. So they do give you 2 of those. It looks like they also give you a thread and needle. So they have it as called a weaving combo. This is really nice. So it says it comes with 1 thread and 3 needles, a straight, a curve, and a hook needle. I ain't never made no wig, y'all, so I didn't even know there was a damn difference. Okay, and it looks like these are like the little things that go inside of this wig head. Oh, okay, I know what this is. So for people that don't have a tripod, you can actually take this little clip. Looks like you put it in here. You can mount it to your desk. That's what all of these little pieces are for. Look, I didn't drop one. I'm not even gonna get into it, but they give you, you know, if you don't have a tripod, you can, you know, clamp it onto a desk. So that comes in that. It looks like they gave me 12 pieces of nickel plated T-pins for holding wig to form on the head. So these are the pins that you would use to stick into the mannequin head that I showed you. And they give you 12 of these, and they're 2 inches. It looks like they gave you a stocking wig cap, 2 pieces. So you get 2 wig caps. They gave me mine in the color black, which is fine with me. So you get 2 wig caps. It looks like they also give you a mesh net wig cap. So this is nice. And this is in black as well. And finally, in this bag, they give you a mesh wig cap. It says do-it-yourself DIY wig series. Cool mesh spandex, high and tight band. So they give you one of those. Okay, my KKs, so the 22-inch mannequin head Sans Beauty wig making kit that I got from Amazon was $27.99. So that's really a good deal for all that you get. I mean, you get a bag of goodies that, you know, they give you the sewing needle, they give you the yarn, they give you scissors, rubber bands, 3 different, wig cap, 2 different wig caps for you to actually make the wig, a mesh cap, and also a mesh net cap. I'm sorry, and you a clamp to hook onto, your vanity. So that's a really good deal for $27.99. Under $30, you truly cannot beat that. So let me go ahead and get into my tripod. Now the tripod came in a much bigger box. So this is what the tripod box looks like. It says it's a Chloe adjustable tripod stand for mannequin head, black metal adjustable tripod stand holder for hairdressers training. Let me see if it already comes, like together, because I don't have time to be putting stuff together. Like, that's just not my thing. Something had fell out of the little box when I opened it, and it looks like it's a set of 2 weaving caps. So that is really nice. And they gave it to me in like a nude color. Oh, it says a 2-in-1 weaving cap. So 2 different types of weaving caps fits most hair and style size, invisible nylon hair nets, elastic and flexible, easy to apply. So honey, I got enough wig caps, okay? So look, it comes with this cute little bag. That's cute, and it has like a little strap, and it has a drawstring at the top. Okay, so this is what the tripod looks like. Open and close. That's the top of it. It's a standard, tripod with the open and closing. It does come with the little ball thing. So it looks like, I don't know how you do this. Okay, so it looks like what you got to do is you got to loosen it up. Put the little ball in here. I guess not. Okay, I took a look at the box to see how this goes in here. So let me take this off again and see if I can do it. Okay, I have it. So it looks like the ball goes in first, and you can move it around. So let me try to put my mannequin head on it. So yeah, my mannequin head fits on it. It's sturdy. I can move it around, which means, when I'm fixing the wig or whatever the case may be, I can move it around. It's not coming off. I turned it upside down. It's not coming off. So yeah, I like it. I'm digging it. Let me see how much that costs. Okay, I can't seem to find that particular wig stand that I just showed you all. This was a gift to me. Somebody actually bought me this and sent it to me in the mail through Amazon. But I looked up other wig stands that's similar to this one, and they're running around about $32 between $32 and $38. It's really up to you what you prefer. So with the Sans Beauty wig making kit and the tripod, even if you got the highest one, which is about $38, you're going to spend around $66 for a wig making kit. And with everything that you get in it, you really cannot beat it. So I'm going to go ahead and give this Amazon wig making kit 5Ks, y'all. Yes! I love it. I cannot wait to get my fingers on it and really play around with it, because I really want to get into try to making my own wigs. And also I want to get into other things doing with the wigs, like cutting the lace off with the wigs, and you know, especially like my human hair wigs that I'm starting to get in, you know, that I need to curl and wash and all that type of stuff. I want to be able to put it on a mannequin head. So I'm loving it. So to me, I think it's a really good investment, especially if you order it through Amazon instead of Sans Beauty, and you have Amazon Prime, honey. You know, you can have, look, you order something through Amazon Prime, the moment you hit submit and they take your money, Amazon ringing your damn doorbell, okay? So if you don't have Amazon Prime, honey, you are missing out, okay? So that is the Sans Beauty wig making kit through Amazon, along with the tripod. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Before I go, you guys already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then just sit back and wait till I receive it. Until I see you all again, have a blessed week.